let's go. Bury my body by the waterside. Leave me here till the river runs dry.
I go to a parlour, didn't do any research, had no clue about the artists or anything, just walked in and said, any chance you could do this? And a couple of hours later walked out with what I thought, because it was on my back, couldn't see it, was a great tattoo that I was going to be so proud of, and it turned out to be a bit of a mess. Like, obviously Stefan knows what he's talking about when it comes to actually covering tattoos. He came up with a variant, and I came back with something else a little bit more kind of down what I wanted, and between the two of us I think we've created something that I'm really happy with anyways.
That's why he came up with something like this. You'll have the two ravens. They'll be done mostly with solid black, some grays, like a bluish tint. This part will cover the tattoo we have. Then because you'll have a lot of black there, we'll use the flame on this candle. You'll have like oranges and red and yellows, like as bright as possible, to put some color into all of that darkness. And I'm gonna go underneath it with a portrait, which will be really light and realistic, so it will be really soft colors again, like flesh tones and yellows. We're gonna take the flame from the candle going all around the design, so it will balance it. Yeah, hopefully you're glad with it.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm very happy with it.
Don't you worry, child, wipe those tears from your eyes. You can sleep when you're dead and done. Until then, don't you worry, son. Until then, don't you worry, son. Until then, don't you worry, son. Flesh, blood, skin.
I've ended up with something just fantastic. Stefan put so much into it. So much of what I wanted, the kind of the Viking style theme and that, but he put in the artistic side that I wouldn't have been able to just even imagine. So yeah, so happy with it. I've gotten tattoos done by Wildcat before, and I can't recommend it enough. Fantastic, like from start to finish, I've had a really good experience. So it's been well worth it. So yeah, guys, if you're out there, enter the competition. People do win them. It really happens.